Today our kitchen has a recipe for white rice, green beans with ground beef and saffron for amazing taste. Ingredients. Let's start with rice. One cup long grain white rice. 2 cups water. A pinch of saffron threads, about 1/4 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons warm water. 1 tablespoon butter or olive oil. Salt to taste. For the green beans and ground beef. 1/2 pound ground beef. 1 cup fresh green beans, trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions. Prepare the saffron. In a small bowl, combine the saffron threads and warm water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. This will create saffron-infused water, which will add a beautiful color and flavor to the rice. Cook the rice. Rinse the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Stir in the rice, a pinch of salt, and the saffron-infused water. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. Fluff the rice with a kitchen spoon, add the butter or olive oil, and gently mix. Cover the pot and set aside. Prepare the green beans and ground beef. In a large skillet or pan, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another 30 seconds. Add the ground beef to the skillet and break it apart with a spatula. Cook until the beef is browned and cooked through, breaking it into smaller pieces as it cooks. Stir in the green beans and spices, cumin, coriander, paprika. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the green beans are tender and the beef is well seasoned. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Assemble the dish. Fluff the saffron-infused rice once more and place it on a serving platter or individual plates. Spoon the green bean and ground beef mixture over the rice. Garnish. If desired, garnish the dish with fresh chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. Serve. Serve your white rice with green beans and saffron ground beef hot and enjoy. This dish combines the earthy flavors of saffron-infused rice with the savory ground beef and the crispness of green beans, creating a delightful and well-balanced meal. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. AFK